Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use presets in Adobe After Effects. So now open your After Effects software and follow these steps. When you will open the Adobe After Effects, you will find this home page or home window. So here, if you want to use presets, you usually are going to use a new project. So when you are going to do a new project, it will ask you from a new composition from footage, or you can just create a new one. If you create a new one, you can find like some presets. As you can see, you can find these presets. And now you will see all the presets that are contained in the Adobe After Effects application or software, and you can choose from them. And as you can see, each one is having some sort of configurations. So basically you will just click custom. If you want to create your own presets, you will need to click on custom, and here you can do whatever you want in the configuration. That means you can choose the size of your comp, or you can just add some aspect ratio, go to advanced and add other settings, and you can do all the settings that you want. Also you can choose like your background colors. After you are customizing all the details that you want or all the settings that you want, you will just click on this one and you will choose a name for this preset. For example, just name it my presets, and like this you will have it here in your list of presets. And as you can see, all the settings are saved in this comp. You can also delete compositions, like just do like that and click OK. Now I don't have the preset, and I have removed it and deleted it successfully. So basically this is how you use presets compositions in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching and goodbye.